Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set an alarm in this device. For this, go to settings, open the clock application, and to create a new alarm, tap on the plus button. Then here you can create the alarm. So here you can customize the alarm settings also. If you want to change the alarm name, you can change the alarm name here. So if you want to change the ringtone, you can change the ringtone. If you don't want the vibration when the alarm ringing, then turn off this one. Then here you can change the snooze time of this alarm also. So now you can see the time is 1:57. So here I am going to set an alarm for 1:58 p.m. Now tap on done. Now you can see ring in less than 1 minute. Okay, now just wait for a few seconds. The alarm will ring. Now just wait. Now you can see the alarm is ringing. So if you want to snooze the alarm, then directly from here you can snooze the alarm. Otherwise you can stop the alarm. So here I am going to stop the alarm. So simply in this way you can create an alarm in this device. You can create or set an alarm in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.